everyone, welcome back with the last puzzle of my project. This will be 10k, yes. In today's newspaper of Friday, January the 31st, 2025, last day of the month. Usually I do the speed test in the first Friday of the month. Well, this is the last Friday of the month. I will be leaving you. Anyway, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. I will leave a link below with those puzzles in PDF, so you can download it and solve it by yourself. I will start this one, my last puzzle, 10k, a Killer Sudoku. Usually a Killer Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 star Sudoku, for 20 to 30 minutes it's a 3 stars puzzle. Here, 3 stars. Let me zoom this. 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Almost 2 minutes. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one is complete. If you count all these numbers, the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The second big square has 1 sharing box. This one has also 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2. This one is complete. This one has 1, and this one is also 1. Here, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright, 13 plus 7 is 20. 9 plus 12 is 21. Plus 20 is 41, so 45 minus 41 is a 4. This box should be a 4. In the box of 6, the combination will be 4 plus 2. Let's go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, what I didn't tell you, this is a speed test without comments, without instructions, so I cannot do this. So let's get started, okay? Without comments, without instruction. That's my goal. 20, 60, 36. This should be a 9. 4, 3 and 1. This should be 13. This should be 11. 3 and a 5. 3 and 1. 4, 1, 2 and a 3. Oh wait, we have a 3 here. 3, 3. This should be the 3 and the 8. Need a 1 and a 9. This should be a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 5 and a 9. 5 over 7. Need a 6. This can be 6 and a 8. 7 and a 5. We have a 9 here, this should be the 9. Need a 9, 9 and a 4, no. 9 and a 3. Need a 8, 8 and a 5. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 7. 2 and a 4. We have a 3 here. 2 numbers left, 2, 4, 5 and a 7. 5 and a 1, 2 and a 4. 8 and a 6. 9. So 8 and a 7. This should be 8. This should be 7. 9 and a 1. The other should be the 3. No, 4 and a 6. No 4 here. 9 and a 1. Need a 9 here. Could be here, could be there. 2, 4, 1 and a 7. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 6. No 3 here. 3 and a 4, no. Here should be the 3 and the 9. 8 and a 1, 8 and a 5. 3 and 8. This should be the 3. 8 and the 5. So here should be the 6 and the 7. 1, 2 and a 4. 1 and a 5. Here should be the 2 and the 7. 1 and a 6. 1. Come on. 2 and a 4, okay. 9. I need a 3 here. 3. And I need a 1 here. 3 and a 1. Here we have a 1. This should be the 1. Should be the 5. 1 digit left. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4. No 4, man. No 4. Here 4 here. 7 and a 5. 7, 5, and then need an 8 here. 4, 3. Come on. 7 and 2, 8 and 6, 7, 5. Need a 9 here. Could be here, could be there. Here could be a 9. This should be the 9. 2 numbers left. 1 and the 3. If it's a 1, then this should be a 8. If this is a 3, this should be a 6. 1 and 8. This should be the 9. 9 and the 4. 4, need a 4 here. It means these two boxes together should be an 8. So 8 1 and a 7, 3 and a 5, 1 and a 7. Two combinations, 9 and a 5, 8 and a 6, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 here. One box left. 1, need a 2 here, need a 5 there. So 1, 3. This should be the 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Plus 1. This should be the 3. This should be the 6. This should be the 8. This should be the 6. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 2. 8 and a 5. 7, 5, 9, 9. Okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 3, 3. Need a 3 there. 3 and a 5. 8, 6 and need a 2 and a 6. This should be the 8. This should be the 6. 2 numbers left. 8 and 7. So we have an 8 here. This should be the 8. So 7 and a 5. We have a 7 here, so this should be the 5. This should be the 7. This should be the 5. 2 and 8 plus 5, 13. Plus 7. This should be a 2. Okay. 7 and 2. We have a 2 here. This should be 7. This should be 5. 8, 5, 8, 7, finish. 12 minutes. Wow. Minus 2. 10 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, by the way, thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for all those years. My last puzzle, 10K. Who knows? Maybe in the future, but probably not. Finished here. I've uploaded 10K videos, so that's a lot. Enjoy the puzzles, and who knows? Maybe you will see me in the future. Bye bye for now, and have fun with the puzzles.